English lesson part 1.
After joining this program, everything has changed in my life. Not just about English, but my entire life.
Hadar's course showed me how to train my ears and tongues and the mouth muscle. Now I can the sound if I produce a wrong sound. And that's the very big improvement.
I was struggling with pronunciation. I was using words in a way they didn't get at all. What changed in my life, I'm able to form the message that I need to deliver, and all the words just come out easily.
I discovered that it's very, very effective to learn English through sounds and muscle memory. Those concepts were the key part for me in order to become able to have more confidence and even to change my job position.
I was always shy to open my mouth and make mistakes. Always worry about my accent and my voice in English. But thankfully, I had overcome that obstacle and I'm loving every part of me.